Hello my wonderful people. I bring to you a beautiful news, beautiful information from the city of Enugu. Today, the speed of development in Enugu is mind-blowing. What Governor Mbah is doing in Enugu is something that many people could not believe that it will happen. Talking about infrastructural upgrading of schools and the building of so many projects, 5-star hotel and so many other projects in the city. The projects that have been executed in Enugu by Governor Mbah are so many, but we will not mention all of them here. We will just focus on some few projects. We will just talk about 2 projects in the city here. The building of 5-star hotel and the level of work, and the remodeling of GTC Enugu, the Government Technical College Enugu. That is our main focus. Let's just look at this 5-star hotel. Governor Mbah started this project, I think this year. They look at the level of work they have done so far. You can see how it used to look when they started the foundation, when the project began. But today, look at the level of works they have achieved. Nobody believed that this project will move so fast like this. I commend the effort of the Governor Mbah, for building this kind of hotel in Enugu, which has never existed in the southeast before. For any city, for a state to attract foreign investors, big investors, you have to upgrade hospitality industry in the state, making it a tourism destination. You know, there are some big investors that will come to a state to invest, and if the state doesn't have a befitting 5-star hotel where they will lodge, they will go back with their investment. That was what nearly happened to Imo State when foreign company came to Imo State to invest in oil and gas. They checked the city, there was no 5-star hotel. That is why Governor Hope Uzodinma embarked on upgrading of Concord Hotel to make it a befitting hotel, to make it standard 5-star hotel, so that those foreign investors will stay and invest in Imo State. I hope you have seen the importance of having a 5-star hotel in this state. Not only that, there are so many benefits having standard hotel, be it 5-star hotel, even 7-star hotels. That is what made Dubai to become what it is today in terms of tourism, due to massive hotels, beautiful standard hotels they built in the city, which attracted foreigners to come for tourism in Dubai. Away from this, let's look at remodeling of GTC Enugu. You can see what Governor Mbah did in this school. Just look at how he upgraded this school that used to be dilapidated. Just take your time and look at how the school used to look like before Governor Mbah began to carry out the remodeling of the school. You can see the dilapidation of buildings in the school. Nobody could believe that this school can be transformed. In fact, the environment of the school was in a total mess. You will ask yourself, why are they still making use of the dilapidated facilities in the school to teach students? But today, after Governor Mbah has finished performing magic, performing wonders, look at how it is looking these days. Look at the new condition of the school. It looks like school in abroad. If somebody tells you that this is abroad, you will believe. In fact, this is how it is supposed to be. When you have a good leader, when you have a visionary leader, things will begin to turn around in the state and people will be happy. Everybody will begin to feel the atmosphere. There are so many other projects which Governor Mbah has completed in Enugu State. Maybe on our next video we will talk about that. Kudos to Governor Mbah, kudos to Ndi Enugu.